Hey guys, here we are outside of the 2023 Heritage Glen Hyper-Lyte. Basically all Hyper-Lyte stands for is just a smaller Heritage Glen travel trailer. Of course, these are all fiberglass with a aluminum cage design. Have the best RV heated underbelly underneath these campers. In 2023, they did an all new color design on the inside as well as the outside, so all new graphics and everything. The same basic tan design color though. On the interior, new floor pattern, new cabinetry colors, new furniture colors, so all new colors just all the way around. A couple of other upgrades that they did. Solar panels are now standard, I believe, throughout. If not, they're still an upgrade, and you get 200-watt solar panels. Awesome campers all the way around. Some of my favorites, this is one of their new floor plates, the 29XBHL. Check it out on RV Wholesalers YouTube channel, as well as our Facebook, as well as many others. Hope to see you there. Hope to hear from you. Have a good one.